Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the channel Logos World. So today is the third class of this channel and I will show you the more things, the typographical logo things today. So let's start and make some typographical logo. And today's class is very special for those who want to be a typographical logo designer. So let's see how I make some typographical logo. So let's start. First of all, you have to take always 10 into 10-inch template. So I will create this 10 into 10-inch template. It will take some time. Yes, it will take some time. Here, I get my artboard. You can see. So now I will write down here something. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Uh, yes, like I made T here, T here. So here I made T, and now I will change it a font, and I will make it 300. Here is a problem. So 300 and change its font type. Which font will be perfect here? I will choose it. Okay, I am choosing this font here and how it look like. I think it's look pretty good. So here I will create it outline. So go to the type file and here you can see create outline this. So here now I will go to the object and go and group this. Then now I will take this rectangular tool here. Sorry, here is some problem of the sorry. Yes, you can see here, and I will change its color. Its color should be the red. Yeah, red here. You can see. Then sorry. Yeah, here is a problem. Some problem. You can see. Now I am going to the shape builder tool. Click here, then I will cut this portion and this portion for the new design. So let's start and hold the Alt key and right and the left key of the mouse, click and click here and click here. Now I get this. So here you can see I get this. Now I will make here another things. Here you can see now how it look like. I think it's look nice. Now I will make something different here. So let's try. Sorry. Here. Uh, then now how it look like. I will make it, arrange it, send to the back. Sorry. Yeah. You can see this is sent to the back here, and I will change its color. It will be the gradient color here, and make this thing different. And I will change this color too. So here, now I will change this color on the different angle. Sorry, go to the gradient, 45, and I will make it 30, or I will change here, and it will be the, now how it look like. I think it's look pretty good. The different vibe in here. So this is also a typographical logo, and this is for the T. Here you can see, and I will arrange it here. Now I will show you the different things with the gradient color. So here, click here and make a here, and I will make here this 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 is the different things, and I made here the gradient color in this logo, and I will show you here. So this is the design, and Now I will select this, and go for the create outline here and ungroup this. So here I will take this here. You can see now. Sorry, here is some mistake. Okay, now it's perfect. Here, here. Now I will change here the color. I will take here the green color. So here green color. This green will be perfect here. This is green, and now I am going for the. I will cut this portion, and now going for the shape builder tools. Then keep the whole Alt key and press the left button of the mouse and click here, and I will click this here. Now I made here something new, which is the green color, and here you can see, sorry, here you can see I changed here some color, and you can also change here many things whatever you want. So now I will change here another color. Then now here I will go for it. Sorry, here you can see, sorry, here, here. Okay, I will make it green, green, and now go for the, sorry, and now I will go for the ship builder tools, and now cut down this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, and now this portion. Now how it look like? I think it's pretty good. So decrease here, and you can see here, you can see here how to make the typographical logo, and it's very easy to make some typographical logo. So this is the end of today's class. I will show you the more things on the next class, and till then Allah Hafiz. But I want to say one thing. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe please. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.